Alright, today we're going to paint some exotic Japanese fish. It has this kind of orange layer scaling. It has these really nice white fins that come off of it a couple of places. So should be a real challenge to paint it, so we'll see how it goes. Question of the day is, what is the Queen City? Now let's run through the colors. Phthalo green, primary yellow, quin blue, ultramarine blue, quin red, pearly red, cyan, burnt umber, yellow ochre, titanium white, Mars black. So we roughly outlined this. Now we're gonna, fill in the water. It looks kind of crappy, but I want to keep that kind of wishy-washy, the water movement. It looks nice with the big brush stroke, so we'll see if we can maintain that with a smaller brush stroke. We need to, kind of get the curve better in this fish, get a lot more intense orange in there, but also the roundness of the fish. It doesn't feel that round right now. And then hopefully if we get far enough, we'll add the eyes. So the Queen City is Cincinnati, which is behind us here. And it was called that because it was the fastest growing city in the late 18th century. So 1900s. Of course, later it kind of declined, probably in the 1950s, 1960s, as people kind of moved, onwards to the west, and a lot of the businesses moved to the west coast. So now it's kind of part of the Rust Belt, you could say. But at one point it was one of the fastest growing cities, so that's the Queen City. Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this fish was a lot more challenging than my other fishes. I kind of added some, this kind of tiger scaling. I'm not really familiar with this fish, so it was very difficult, I think, to execute on him. He does have the feel of a fish. Hopefully someone likes it. I'm sure someone will buy it on eBay, but anyway, hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.